This is the 2-drawer black end table from Hoseoka. Let's open this thing up. All right, as I'm starting to take pieces out of this box, I want to point out everything is really tightly packaged in here. Any gap that is in this box is filled with a piece of foam. You don't need to worry about it getting damaged during shipping because it is well packaged in here. So I got all the pieces out of the box. There is going to be a fairly lengthy assembly here. I'm going to make a different video showing you all the assembly if you're interested in watching that. But I'm going to just skip ahead then and show you what this thing looks like all put together. All right, guys, there it is. So install actually wasn't bad at all. It took me 35 minutes and the directions are really good. The pictures are really good and everything's clearly labeled. So don't be worried about the install. Anybody could do it. Yeah, and it's really doesn't take that long. So here it is. I mean, it looks awesome. You get your gold legs. They look really nice and they are metal. And then on top, it's very discreet, but you can see there is a panel here which has 2 USB and 2 110 outlet. And then that just runs through back here, and you got about a 5-foot cord here. You're gonna have to find an outlet somewhere nearby, but that gives you power up here. So you can charge your devices or plug a lamp, anything like that in, which is really nice. So I think that's a great feature about this end table. Charge your phone, put a lamp on, anything like that. Most end tables don't have that built in, so that's really cool. So the drawers look really nice. They have this really sort of simple handle here. Very mid-century modern, the gold handle. And they slide out. The slides work really well. You get 2 drawers here. Quality, putting it together, I was impressed. It is like a fiberboard and it has like a laminate on top of it, but everything was well attached. Nothing was peeling apart or anything like that. It seems very sturdy here and it looks really nice. I mean, it's just a really great looking end table and it'd be perfect for putting next to a couch, maybe putting next to your bed to use as a nightstand. But overall, really happy with the quality, really happy with how it looks. So if you're looking for a new end table, a mid-century modern style, one with charging outlets on it as well. This one's good quality. It looks great. I think you're going to be really happy with this one.